So, hey guys, we are going to somewhere at gagala-gala na naman po kami. So, on our way to Bruges. Medyo shy ako dyan kasi maraming tao sa bus. So, ayan, mabilis naman po yung biyahe. Like 2 to 3 hours going to Bruges from Paris. So, emote-emote kami saglit. Si Madam. So, we just arrived, walking, at alam niyo man pag nagta-travel, there's a lot of walking. So, this is the famous Belfry Bruges. So, and this is the Historium, wherein we went inside to check lang the freebies, yung free access only. Kasi we have only limited time at medyo busy that day because of the Ascension Day. So, it's a huge feast sa mga taga Bruges. Ayan, for now, so we are here at the City Hall. Look naman, the social naman ng City Hall, and also this is the famous Basilica of the Holy Blood. Yan, medyo mabilis akong magsalita kasi nahabol ko yung video. Char. Ayan, picture si Madam, si Mushu. Picture, hindi mawawala ang picture. Siyempre, it's part of traveling. So, launch in this historical restaurant. It's so nice, the structures, the painting. Medieval building. The famous canal. And then, ng merienda, lakad ulit. More lakad here kasi maraming saradong street because of the feast. So this is the procession of the Holy Blood. Sineselebrate ito civic ceremony since late 13th century. Lahat ng mga residente sa area will perform or reenact the historical biblical events, all events of the Holy Week, Palm Sundays, yung pag-preach ni Jesus, lahat ng events of His life. Nire-enact nila ito with this parade. Ayan. Picture mo na saglit while waiting with the other representative at may pag-kiss pa si Mushu. Suave. There you have it, ang aming Bruges, Belgium trip for a day. And sana po you can please like and subscribe with our channel. Till our next next gala around Europe. Thank you.